We interrupt this Harris video to bring you a special announcement from Mike Jackman.
Like I said, we don't only specialize in residential, we also specialize in commercial, big or small. You got it, we can come do it. Call the office, get an estimate. If it's to be done, it can get done.
How you doing? I'm Mike from Harris Water Main Sewer Contractors. Thanks for tuning in to our video. As always, if you could like, comment, and subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated. Today, we are on a large-scale construction project that we started about 10 days ago. We're in the Bronx on Hutchinson Avenue. The scope of this project on phase 1 is installing roughly 500 feet of 8-inch internal water main. We have already completed the new wet connection down the street behind us and brought the piping into the street, and we've already started running some pipe on the property. Let's go see where the guys are at. So Frank, down over there is where we came in. That's where the hot box is gonna go. I see our main valve. Right. So now we're waiting for the contractor to set the hot box, set the slab, and that the other plumber could come and install the RPZ in the meters, right?
Right.
And then from that point, we have already piped out all the piping up to here and the brand new hydrant, right?
Right. Yeah, we installed a new hydrant there. We have the pipe ready. As soon as they finish their RPZ and the hot box,
Okay.
yeah, we're gonna come out and then now we can make the connection to our pipe at the end.
guys have already piped out, looks like another 400 feet or so?
Yeah,
300 from here?
440 feet. Yeah.
Okay. So the biggest challenge in working here, I mean, now I wasn't here when you guys were doing all the digging, but I see all the rocks and all the garbage that was coming out of this hole.
Yes, it was, because of all landfill, a lot of garbage, old cars, old car tires, old car rims,
Everything.
doors,
Everything.
you know, so that was the challenging part of it.
Okay.
But the good thing, there was nothing too important here. There's nothing necessary, like utilities, like, you know, so.
So for the most part, we were able just to rip right
Yeah, we
through.
we weren't worried about electrical, gas, and stuff like that.
Okay, there's a couple spots where we had to
We
just
got
pay
to look over,
attention.
we got to pay attention to.
Okay, let's see where we
Right.
ended up. So when I showed up, it looked like you guys were installing the last length of pipe.
That's where the main is going to handle. We're installing a T there to put the next hydrant,
Okay.
and we're going to put a cap on it, and that will be handling up the piping for the main itself,
So it's a T, 8x6 T, and
Right.
a cap, right?
and an 8-inch cap.
All right, so now after we pipe out the hydrant, you guys should be done with the hydrant by tomorrow, right?
Yes, but the hydrant will be done by tomorrow.
So we actually, at that point, are kind of at a standstill. They're gonna get the RPZ and everything hooked up so we can
can get
clean
water.
the lines,
Right.
get water, run our pressure test,
That's
and
it.
get this finally signed off, right?
Signed off, right.
Okay. So now again, this is just the first phase of this
Of
project,
the
right?
project, yes.
So after this is all signed off and passed by DEP, then we come back, and I guess you'll show us when we walk down here. You'll show us where we're getting our wet connection and tap that's going to go into the building.
Okay,
Okay?
right.
Now let's go take a look. going to continue to install the fire hydrant. When that's done, we can get our final inspection, get the as-built, and after that is all signed off, we come back for phase 2. Now phase 2 is we're installing a 6-inch fire and a 2-inch domestic water service. Hopefully we can be here within the next few weeks to knock that out. Thanks for watching our video.